This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry beef with snow peas in oyster sauce. And I'll also be showing you how to tenderize beef slices the Chinese way.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
We are using 300 grams of beef for about 4 people. How should you slice the beef? Look at the fibers that run along the beef. You can see it very clearly here. I am cutting the meat into 3 sections. Then slice the beef against or perpendicular to the grain. This will give you a more tenderized cut of meat. Cut the beef into half cm slices. The Cantonese style of marinating and tenderizing meat is to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. You will also need 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix well and marinate in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bicarbonate of soda breaks down the protein and gives you a more succulent bite. In America, bicarbonate of soda is often referred to as baking soda, whereas in UK and Australia, they tend to call it bicarbonate of soda. In a hot pan, put in 3 tablespoons of oil and fry the garlic and ginger. Over high heat, spread the beef at the bottom of the pan till a caramelized crust is formed. Toss and fry the other side. Add in the snow peas, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. The snow peas cook quickly, so after a few seconds, pour in the corn flour slurry, made by stirring together 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir till the gravy thickens. Stir-fry beef with snow peas in oyster sauce. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.